Hey, this is Gary with Gary vs. Cars, and I'm here today with just a quick video on the front brakes for a 1929 Model A. And what you can see here is the backing plate where I had these sandblasted and powder coated in a high gloss black. You can see that the front brakes have been relined and they look really good. Before I put them on the car, I'll put some brake cleaner on those. Just a quick, you can find out how to do brake jobs on many videos. I think some of the important pieces here are these rollers need to fit in between this wedge right here. Obviously, you'll need a brake tool to work these springs on. It's always a good idea to use brand new springs when working on your car. A few things that you want to keep in mind. This is the front brake operating wedge. Up here we have the front brake adjusting wedge, which you can see on this one. Around the other side is unpainted, and I know I try to use original items where possible. And then while I'm on this side, here's the bolt for the operating wedge. I'll be putting a cotter pin in there. To adjust cotter pins, what I usually do, or to figure out how to get the cotter pin in, you can see it's very faint here, but I'll scratch across the bolt so I know where to line up that castle nut, because the cotter pin is going to fit right through there. Back to this side, I've got this cap on and it's been peened over, and I believe that's a common practice because on several of these, and all the ones I've seen actually, they've been peened over. So, and then inside is the adjusting wedge, is the wedge shaft, and you can see how the shaft sits in these grooves. And it's important that each shaft be equidistant. So you don't want to have one shaft longer than the other. Otherwise, when you apply your brakes, you're going to get an uneven braking as a result. So I'm going to put this one back in. I use a brake caliper grease. I don't want to fill it entirely, but I want to seal this area, and I put liberal amount of grease in all the contact points. And again, make sure that the shoe rides, or these rollers ride in between the wedge. All right, next time you see these brakes, they will be on the car. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing, and leave a comment if you like. Thank you and have a great day.